Hello and welcome to Guide Glimpse. In this video, I will teach you how you can record your audio on iPhone. So let's begin. If we compare an iPhone audio recorder to Android don't provide any audio recorder. You have to download apps in Android for audio recording, and those apps don't provide high quality audio recording as compared to iPhone. So in iPhone, you don't have to download any app. iPhone has already installed this app in your phone, so you don't need to download it from your app store. Here, if I show you how this app looks, here you can see the Voice Memo app. This is the app used for recording audio. And if I show you how this app works, here by opening the app, you can see the three options here. The option says all recordings, favorite, and recently deleted. In all recordings, you can see all the recording that you have recorded before, and you can add any recording to favorite, and later on you can see that in your favorite folder. In the recently deleted, you can find all the recordings that you have deleted. If you have deleted any recording by mistake, you can recover that. Let me show you how. Simply click on the recording that you want to recover, and then after clicking on the recording, you can see the option recover and delete. Simply click on the option recover and the recording will be recovered. Now if you want to delete any recording permanently, you can click on the option delete. It will gonna delete permanently. Now let's talk about how you can do the recording. Simply go to all recordings. Here you can see the red option in the bottom. Click on that. Here you can record as long audio as you want. When you will finish recording the audio, you can simply click on this dot again and it will gonna stop. The best thing I find about this Voice Memo is that you can go anywhere. For example, if I have any essay in my gallery and I want to record that, you can simply open that essay by opening the gallery. You can read that. While reading, you can also record. The recorder will not stop. Similarly, you can also research any information from the Google and you can read that without stopping or pausing the voice recorder. That's the best thing about this voice recorder. And if you talk about now how you can pause the voice, here you can see that our voice is recording on the top. Simply click on that. After clicking on this, you will come to the Voice Memo. Here you can see the option pause in the bottom. Simply click on that. After clicking on this option, your audio has been paused. You can resume by clicking on the option resume, and simply you can also edit your 50-second backward recording or forward recording. You can do that by just simply clicking on this 15-second backward and 15-second forward options, and after recording you can click on the option replacement. After your recording has been done, you can also do some editing here. Here our recording has been done. You can see the three lines here. Just click on that. Here you can see different options like skip silence, enhance audio, and you can also change the speed where the turtle show the slow speed and the rabbit show the fast. Here you can adjust the speed according to your own choice. You can also skip silences like the pauses in the recording by simply enabling this skip silence, and you can also enhance your voice by simply clicking on enhance recording option here. And if you talk about other features, like here you can also share and copy and edit that. You can duplicate that, you can add that to your favorite. And that was all about how voice recorder work on iPhone. If you find this video useful, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.